Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's our Priska Jenny again, and today I'll be doing something new. I hope you learned something from my previous videos. So today I'll be handling PowerPoint presentation and master slide as well. So for master slide, it's like that slide which you edit anything you want and you can apply it to all the slides. So yes, PowerPoint presentation is used to create our ideas such that when we are presenting to a crowd, you just look at the points and then you explain it. It's supposed to be like, the points are supposed to be brief, short. Probably you could use 6 words horizontally, and maybe you can just put 5 points on a slide such that it's beautiful and attractive, such that the slide is not overcrowded. When it's overcrowded, the audience become bored and distracted. But when your slide is brief and spaced out, it attracts the audience's attention. So you can I'll also teach you how to edit your work to make it more captivating, and also show you briefly how to insert images in your PowerPoint. So here, when you want to create our first slide, since the first one, maybe it's just our introduction, you come here to new slide, and then you choose. Here you can see that we have different types of slides, but for the first one it's just the introduction of the topic we are going to handle, and then also the name of the presenter and the title. We're going to click on the title slide, then we come here and then we type education in Uganda, and then the name of the presenter by, then I'm going to say Priska Jenny. Yes, and then I have to add my title such that the audience knows the exact person talking to them. So I'm going to say MBCHB1. So that means I'm a medical student in year 1. So we are going to add another slide, and then here we come back and click on new slide, and then we're going to choose title and content. So we're going to say importance of education. So yes, here we are. Then we are going to come and click on add content. So here we can say personal development, then in the next one we shall say improve standards, of life. Then we can add 1 point, and so we can say here economic stability, and you can say economic stability and opportunity. Yes, so here it's opportunity. Yeah. So when we come and make the next slide here, so we can say challenges facing education. So we can say shortage of learning materials, and then we can also say inadequate teachers, inadequate and then we can say overcrowding. So you can make as many slides as you're required, like it will depend on the magnitude of your work. So here from my slides you can see that my slides are not crowded. So now I'm going to teach you how to edit your work. So for the beginning, let's go back to the first slide. Yes, and then we highlight the title, we highlight this, and we choose how it's supposed to appear. We're going to choose Algerian, and then we can choose the font size, and let's say 44. Then here we come and highlight this, and then we come and choose and the font size we have to make it smaller. Yes, then also you apply any adjustment you want to the second slide and then the third, but it's important to make your titles uniform such that the slides look beautiful, like the audience does not get confused. Have the first heading looking like this, then the second one you have it in italics. That one is going to create a bad impression, so it's important to create uniformity in your slides. So we can also create what? Transitions. You choose the transition you want. I'm going to use fade. You can choose any that you like, and then you can design your slides. So in my case, let me click on this. Looks beautiful for me. Then when you're done making all the adjustments that you want, you can now come and do slideshow to see how your slides are appearing, such that in case you need any more adjustment you can do it. So you come to slideshow. Yes, and then you choose from beginning. So you can see how my slides are appearing and they're done. And note that when you're making your slides, it's important to keep on saving your work by pressing Ctrl+S, such that in case of any power blackout, your work still stays, it's saved in the computer. So now I'm going to take you through Slide Master. So you come to View, and then you come and click on what? Slide Master. So it's going to come like this. So to edit our Slide Master, for all our headings, all our titles, we want them to appear in the same style. So we come and highlight it. Then we go back to Home, and then now we can adjust the font any way that we want. We want all our titles to be in Algerian, and we want all our font size for the headings to be on 50, and then let's choose a color. We can leave it black, we can choose white, you can choose any other color. So I've chosen black. Then for the rest of the text, we can also come here and highlight. Then you come and also edit it. You say that I want all my text to be in Arial, or let's choose Arial Narrow, and the font size you can choose 20, and then the color you can say you want them to be blue, and then you're done. So you realize that all your slides. So in order to view the changes that we have made, you come here on master slide, on Slide Master, then you close the master slide, and then you realize that all our things are appearing the same way that we wanted, I think. Hope you have learned something from my videos. Thank you for watching it.